the flowers get lost. I am so frustrated. This one was so much work. Not the pour, but making all these embeds. I thought I had this light enough. I didn't realize just how light the flowers were. If I had, I would have coated them in a dark pink. Well, it can look like I'm watering plants and flowers are going to bloom from the water that's coming. This is frustrating. Let me tell you, things have just not gone as planned with these spring soaps. I actually really do like this watering can. But dang, that's so frustrating. I don't think there's anything I can do. Oh well. I forgot to hit record when I started making this, so you're gonna see the cutting of it. The top did not go as planned. The soap actually started getting thick on me and I couldn't do what I wanted, so I ended up swirling it, and I can't say I'm overly impressed with the top. But here is the cut. I wish I had moved the flower a little over. It's supposed to be like it's being watered. I do like this watering can. I think it is cute. I love the flower in the pot. I have a couple different variations. So I have a couple different variations of leaf, stem, flower that you can combine with the pot. I really like. I like them. I think they're cute and pretty, and I like how they turned out. And there's different sizes you can do. So yeah, this is like, I know it's just a plain solid blue background. I debated whether I should do like a swirl or something, and I finally just decided a solid color. Still not sure if that was the right choice, but I do think that the watering can and the flower at least stand out. So I don't know. I like it. Like I said, I'm still not sure if I should have done something else for the background, and I do wish I had shifted the flower over just a little bit, maybe this a little bit further down to better balance the soap. But that said, I think it's cute. And I like this embed. I did do a white infill. I might next time just do the solid and make the whole thing gray. I don't know. We'll see. But I like this watering pot. I think it's cute.